All right, budget-friendly fisherman here, Dennis Stephenson. I want to talk to you about some rod holders that I purchased on Amazon through the Ghosthorn store. And I got to tell you, I'm pretty happy with these. This is 4 sets, so each set will hold 5 rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see where I just butted them up together here. And depending on the rod, it will hold 5 of these, but you've got to have long enough rods that you can stagger the reels, as you see. It does not hold rods much larger than this, as they just start to clump up. So if you've got matching rods like I do, same length and stuff like that, you can see how these are kind of staggered out, and then I had to come back again. Will it work? Yeah, it'll work. But if you just have standard rods, like these are spooled, these are spinning rods. They're not too crazy. These are my snook and redfish rods, and you can put them right next to each other, no problem. You can see side by side. Here is a couple of level winders next to a couple of large spinning reels. That's a little bit more challenging, like shooting video upside down, but it does work. Now here's what the main thing is. So, you know, I'd like to talk about budget fishing, and this is 35 bucks, I think, total for all these rod holders. So I mean, you know, I have more rods, but also, you know, it holds my, this is pretty heavy here, my snare and stuff like that, my snake and critter catching tools. And so yeah, it does a pretty good job. And I still have, you know, I've got some open spots for some other rods I might put in there. It's the ones that I don't use that much, but again, it was off of Amazon, and it was the Ghosthorn store, and yeah, I'm very happy with them. There's the plastic itself is rigid but flexible, and then it's got a silicone, semi-hard silicone around there, so it's, you know, when you're pulling stuff in and out, you're not going to break them. And these are fairly heavy. These boat rods are fairly heavy right here, so yeah, I think you'll be happy with them. And again, importantly, 35 bucks to hang all these rods and from the ceiling. And I didn't even use all the hardware. They're fairly solid, so good luck. If you want to see other reviews like this, just go to Budget Friendly Fisherman Dennis Stephenson on YouTube. I've got several others. Thank you so much.